Good morning all. Today we are going to learn various prepositions with the help of this small activity. The first preposition is on.
The ball is on the box.
Very good. Where is the ball?
The ball is on the box.
Okay.
Next preposition is in. The ball is in the box.
Very good. Where is the ball?
The ball is in the box.
Next preposition is under. The ball is under the box.
Very good. Where is the ball?
The ball is under the box.
Okay. The ball is under the box. Now we'll move to the next preposition.
Next preposition is in front. The ball is in front of the box.
Nice. Where is the ball?
The ball is in front of the box.
Nice. The preposition is in front of. The ball is in front of the box.
The next preposition is behind. The ball is behind the box.
Where is the ball?
The ball is behind the box.
Yes, the ball is behind the box. Very good. This was the preposition. The ball is behind the box.
The next preposition is over. The ball is over the box.
Nice. The ball is.
Over the box.
Where is the ball?
The ball is over the box.
That means there is a gap between box and the ball. That is why the preposition is over. Okay.
The next preposition is above. The ball is above the box.
Very good. Where is the ball?
The ball is above the box.
There is a huge gap between box and the ball, like up above the sky.
The next preposition is below. The ball is below the box.
Okay, here is the ball. Where is the ball?
The ball is below the box. The next preposition is between. The ball is between the boxes.
Okay, the ball is.
Between the boxes.
Here are these two boxes and the placement of ball is in between the boxes.
The next preposition is into. The ball is moving into the box.
Nice. The ball is moving into the box.
The last preposition is near. The ball is near the box.
Okay, nice. Where is the ball?
The ball is near the box.
Thank you all for participating in this very beautiful activity, and we all learned the use of preposition with the use of these small equipments, that is ball and a box. Thank you all.